What's up? What's up? What's up?
Yeah, you feel me? We finna go get this Wilt.
And we in the red guts. But anyway, it's goddamn 5:37 p.m. We're about to get on the road. Well, first we gotta go get that trailer. And then we're about to be on the road.
YDK shit. Keep it short like a haiku. Blow 100, I might do. You don't flex like I do.
Filling up.
Where's Savannah yet?
Right,
Stopping for
Magic
fucking
City.
gas. Hey, y'all. Gas over here is goddamn
Oh my god.
$2.95. Oh, we popping the hood. Is the car broken down?
Why not?
Hey.
Are you still in? What?
It takes 0W20.
I'm guessing this is the radar. This has radar cruise control.
Yeah.
You saw it in action.
You think the
That
radar
is,
is gonna be?
this is the radar. There is no other radar here. This is it.
Just because you don't see
It's usually embossed. It's usually not smooth, flat surface like this.
it.
You with a lot of Toyotas and shit?
That car. Bro, any car. Any car. Doesn't any car's emblem? Is your Charger logo smooth like this? It's embossed.
No,
What
guess
the
what
fuck,
though?
nigga?
It's a Charger.
Jesus Christ.
This
Hey,
nigga,
it
man.
might come down from the heavens. Oh, it is the logo.
Oh my god, I
Finally got here.
So they just told us go get the car. We was finna just come get the car, but they said go get the car, so we finna go get the car. I don't know, but he said I got shotgun. Huh.
I got
That shit's hard. I gotta get behind him anyway.
You came from New York? Stopping at Daytona Beach.
You going, bro? You make it perfect.
Trying to park the boat. You good? Keep going.
Keep quiet.
Keep going.
I heard some shit. I'm not trying to say
Y'all, here it is. Here it finally is. Got a little bit of that, but that could be bad. That's nothing crazy. Whew. Whew. Clearance, pretty good. Texas Bears. It's pretty nasty in here though. but we have no key. So next step is getting the key. But anyway, it's got the black top. There, those big exhaust tips. Messy trunk. Little damage right here. Right here, right here. Yeah, definitely needs some work. Some tape over here. But it's nothing we can't handle. Anyway, see you guys when we get started.
Send a recipe. Try to bless me like I sneezed. Second cash, they envy me.